Welcome back to the channel, and today I have another money desktop extension for y'all. Alright, so to get the extension, first of all I'm going to leave a link down below, and it's going to take you to the extension slice. So that's how it's going to look on your little extension thing. To sign up for it, just follow the steps on there. They're pretty straightforward. They're not that complicated at all. Now, once you get to like the preferences, I recommend keeping this at the more ads. To be honest, the ads aren't even that much of a bother. Plus, they're muted, so they're not audible. And other than that, it's cool. Okay, so the little mini version is literally just the dashboard version. So let's just go ahead and go to the dashboard. I'm gonna take you all through a rundown of what there is and what not to do. Here we have the analytics page, and it shows you the withdrawals and when you saw ads and basically where the money came from, right? And after that, we have the surveys tab, which I do not recommend at all. If you guys want to do surveys, go to Swagbucks, link in Benable. Okay, it's just more worth it on Swagbucks. And next we have the app rewards. It's powered by BitLabs. Do not recommend. Go use Swagbucks. For those of you guys that don't know, Swagbucks is a task platform that literally is just better than most task platforms. Okay, and the next tab we have is the video rewards. I have not tried this a single bit because it's been under maintenance since I downloaded this. Now let's go to the payout tab. Earlier, let's go back to the dashboard. If you guys have seen right here, it says I withdrew 90 cents worth of Bitcoin. I could not get that go through because let me tell you, Bitcoin withdrawals on here are a pain in my behind. They're crazy. They're just crazily complicated. I tried with Coinbase. I tried with MetaMask. I tried with a couple other crypto wallets. I couldn't. So for those of you guys that are going to try the slice dashboard, right? I recommend doing PayPal or getting gift cards. So if you just keep that in mind, or if you guys want to have at it and try doing a Bitcoin withdrawal, let me just mind you, if you press the review button, like if you go right here and you press this review button, it will lock your coins and you'll probably never get them. I don't know if it expires or not because I did that yesterday trying to figure it out. And that was my bad. I should have looked into it beforehand, but I thought it would have been easy like other apps, like the ZBD app with the Bitcoin mining app or a couple other ones. On the other hand, we have the connections tab. This is nothing important, just tells you all the browsers you have the slice on. But normally you'd only use one browser or two at the most because no sane person uses 10. And this is also another cool tab. You have the crew tab, which is basically the referral tab. I did try this with an alt account. Your referrals have to reach a minimum to be valid. But after that, you get 10% of all their slices, which, I mean, isn't bad compared to other referrals. And it's a good thing to have in this. So, like, if you guys do this, get your friends and families on board, and it'd be cool. They also have the creator tab. It is literally the exact same of this, just with a couple extra features. So if you guys do Twitch, I think it only works on Twitch right now. But if you guys do like Twitch, you can do that on there. And the one good thing that came out of waiting, because me personally, I wanted to release this earlier, but I wanted to wait to verify Payout. Payout does work, okay? Not that I've tried it personally, but it does work. And if it doesn't work, you can come hit me in the face. I'll drop my addy. Um, so one good thing that came out of waiting for the 30 days is that you can earn twice as much slices now on your browser by just clicking on this. Essentially, it's another extension, but you know what this extension does? It makes your browser like this. If those of you guys know that on my streams, I don't showcase my browser that much, but usually it's just like the basic Google Chrome browser with a blue background. So now it's this. Um, and with this being like a data harvesting company, I don't mind it, but do take care on some of the things that are way more personal, like your bank account type stuff. Because I'm not saying the company's out there to get you. I'm just saying that sensitive stuff like that is kind of crazy to just put out like that. I mean, me personally, I don't care. I put my passwords anywhere and everywhere. But that's essentially the whole gist of the slices thing. But there's also one more thing. That's the entire gist of it on the browser. There's also called the Slice X app. When you first get the extension on your browser, the download will pop up. I will try to get a download of it in the description because I can't find mine right now. But essentially what the Slice X app is that you can manually boost your earnings, right? And you can run ads on here even if you're not browsing. So like I don't know. I don't know what else you could do on your computer that is not browsing. But anyways, they'll just pop up on the bottom. Though if you do like start clicking on tabs, right? Like I'm not sure when it kicks in, but there will be a focus button right here. So like these are non-audible ads, so it's good. So like you won't interrupt your YouTube watching or anything. But if you guys just saw, it says focus window to continue seeing ads. Your ads will pause if you don't press focus. That means you will not be earning money. But other than that, it's pretty cool. So, anyways, guys, that's the whole gist of the Slices dashboard and app. I recommend it completely. I give this like a 7 out of 10. Mainly because the surveys and app rewards tabs are dog. I haven't been able to try the video rewards, and the payout situation right now is just, it's horrendous, actually. But look, at least it happened to me, so now if you guys do try this out, stick to PayPal and stick to the gift cards. Also, it has a good referral tab, so that's a plus. And then they came out with the times 2 boost on slices for using their direct dashboard, right, while you browse. I don't know where my screen. Okay. Yeah, so if you just use this instead of your normal thing, it pops up automatically. That's what I do like. So it's pretty cool. And plus, the app is really cool. It's just that you do have to turn it on manually. But other than that, everything else on here is automatic. And I recommend it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, like. You guys know what to do. And I'll see you guys next time.